Ciao Tesla people. Right now I loaded the car and I'm going to in Abruzzo. That's a 400 kilometers ride, mostly highway. I'm planning for 1 or 2 stops, one for sure, one in Magliano Sabina, which is halfway, 200 kilometers from here, close to Rome, and then maybe another one in Carsoli. There is another supercharger there, but they're only 150 kilowatts, while in Magliano Sabina they have 4 250 and 8 150. Anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse here. I just put the camera here, just another angle. We'll see how it goes. Weather-wise, it's cloudy. It was raining until a couple hours ago. And hopefully there is no rain on the highway, otherwise it would take forever. People forget how to drive with the rain. And hopefully there is not much traffic. We'll see. Anyway, come with me and I'll see you in a bit in Magliano Sabina. I got to Magliano Sabina, 24%. Let's recharge.
Sì, nella valigia.
Blue, 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 blue. Green. Let's see the speed. 122, 146, 167, 186, 194, 194 kilowatts, now down to 189. Pretty cool. 190. Cool. Good. So I'm going to charge to, I think, 85. Since I want to stop at maybe Carsoli, so I get some charge left when I get home in Abruzzo. So everything is doing good. 0.48 cents euro cents per kilowatt hour, and charging. Okay, so I'm going to get a cappuccino. It's 10:24. We've done let's see, the trip is 213 kilometers, 47 kilowatt hour, 221 watt hour per kilometer. Yeah, I pushed a little bit, 125, 130. So I'm going to get something to eat. So I'm still at the Magliano Sabina Supercharger, charging. And this place is pretty cool. There is a hotel, a restaurant, swimming pool. I think they do like they host like weddings and ceremonies like that. In fact, probably a month ago, a bit more than a month ago, I came here at night. I was going back to Florence from Rome, and it was full. The parking lot was full. Even some superchargers were occupied by people, unfortunately. So here, supposedly, they are expanding the supercharger. I'm not sure yet because I don't see any information. Magliano Sabina. Oh, actually no. IONITY. They are putting IONITY, a IONITY charger. Okay, that's interesting. Anyway, I'm going to finish to charge.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm.
So I'm in Carsoli, just charging. Let's see the speed. This supercharger are 150 kilowatts. Just wanted to stop so to charge. I'm at 47%, 117, good, pretty good. 122, nice. 123, 25. Okay, 125, charging to maybe 85. Doing good. Let me go back here, charging. Pretty cool. So I'm back home. The ride was great. Unfortunately, the last part it was raining, and down there is the car. Everything went well. No traffic, so it took me less than last time, and I stopped twice. So pretty good. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao to all people.